I have two beautiful sourdough bread here. Can you tell the difference? Hey, what's up? What if you don't have kitchen scale or measuring cups? It happens. Maybe you are on vacation and you want to make a beautiful bread, or you just moved to a new place and you don't have your kitchen tools with you, right? Is it possible to make an eye measured beautiful loaf of sourdough bread? Today, we are going to make two loaves of sourdough bread, one with measuring tools and the other one from eyeballing. And we are going to see what is the difference. So, let's get into this, shall we? Alright, I'm gonna mise en place my ingredients for my eyeball sourdough bread. For this mini whole wheat sourdough, I need 3 grams salt. I hope it's correct. I don't know why I didn't add water first, but I need about 30 gram starter. And add the water little by little. Mix the starter and salt and water, little bit more water. Mix, add bread flour, which has to be 120 gram, hopefully. And I have 20% whole wheat, which is 30 grams. I think I need more flour. Alright, time to mix and fill the dough. Oh, it's way dry. I'm gonna add more water. Should be 50% now. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Feels a bit better. Alright, I'm gonna just mix the ingredients and fill the dough. But I'm gonna add a little bit more flour. Alright, I'm done. That's it. I think this is the right hydration. 75% hydration. That's what we are looking for. What do you think? Did I do it right? Okay, we will see. And for my second bread, nothing complex, everything measured before accurately. And this is going to be a 20% whole wheat mini sourdough bread with 75% hydration. I think it feels the same, but I'm not sure. Alright, let's be positive about it and let them rest for 30 minutes. This is the I measured one. And this one, of course, the regular one. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna give it one set of stretch and fold. From the feeling of the dough, I think I did it correctly. Grab the dough a couple of times and try to round it up inside the bowl. I measured one, done. Let's go for second dough. I'm gonna speed up the video so I don't waste your time. Let them rest for another 30 minutes. Second sets of stretch and fold. And you can round the dough outside the bowl. It's not very high hydration. And the second one. Alright, time to let them rest for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, this is the first one, the eyeball dough, and this is the second one, the regular dough. We can see what is the difference. I don't see any difference actually, because these are minis and not very high hydration. I'm gonna do the coil fold like this. Grab the dough, stretch it a little bit, and try to roll it and tuck it in and round it up inside the bowl or outside the bowl. Or maybe ball it up like a pizza. But make sure you wet up your hands before you're gonna do this. I know, you're impressed by my technique. Wet up your hands again and do the same to the second dough. Beautiful, right? Another 45 minutes rest and everything would be the same. Because I love you, I'm not gonna waste your time and I'm gonna speed up the video. And let them bulk ferment for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, this is the first one, the eyeball dough. I'm gonna release it from the bowl. Pre-shape time. Fold all of the edges to the center and round it up with the help of the surface and leave them on the counter for about 20 minutes. I think the eyeball one is little less whole wheat, something like 15%. The moment of truth, let me measure them before I'm gonna shape them. See what is the difference. The eyeball dough is about 320 grams, which is 20 to 30 grams more than what it should be. And yes, I think I added too much flour. First dough shaping done. Into the banneton. Let me check my regular dough. Yeah, I right. This one was 280 grams. So 40 grams less than the other one. But anyway, I think the hydration is correct. Let them proof for 1 to 2 hours and they are ready to bake. Or you can transfer them into the fridge and bake the day after. But before that, you're gonna do the poke test, so make sure everything is in the right place. I'm gonna bake them from open baking. And now I'm gonna transfer them on the baking paper and score them. Nothing complex. Bake at 230 for 20 minutes with the steam. Remove the steam and bake at 210 for another 20 minutes. And here you are. Can you tell the difference? Let's check what we got inside. The first one, the eyeball one. Beautiful crumbs. And the second one, my regular mini whole wheat sourdough. Gorgeous crumb. Look at this. If you like this kind of video, you can subscribe my channel so you don't miss my next video. Like always, keep baking and take a good care of yourself.